Hello and welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to present this beautiful 2015 Toyota Sienna. This van features a VMI in-floor automatic ramp and kneeling system. This van has only 42,000 miles, features a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and a beautiful interior. Now let's go ahead, take it on a test drive. I'm going to show you what else it has. Regain your mobility independence with this 2015 Toyota Sienna. Call today and ask us about our nationwide shipping and delivery services.